24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Long and short. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract. And the students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let's start with the concept of long and short. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Learning should be spontaneous and fun. Do not push the children. Learning objectives. To enable the students to compare objects based on their length. To enable them to differentiate between long and short. Inform the children that they will be identifying long and short objects. It is always better to start with real objects and hand-on activities. See if you can find some pairs of things with one long and one short. For example, you may have a long ruler and a short ruler. Put both the items in front of children and introduce them. Say, this ruler is long. Emphasize the word long and hold your arms out to give visual support. Then show them the other one and say, this is not long. Then ask one of them saying, can you give me the long ruler? Draw a long and a short row on the writing board. Ask the children to identify long and short rope. Write long rope and short row on the writing board. Show the students long and short objects from the classroom and ask them to identify the objects as long and short. Hold a long pencil and a short pencil in your hand and then show the long pencil to the students and ask them if it is long or short. All the students will observe the pencil carefully and say aloud whether it is long or short. Continue making comparisons using other sets of long and short objects. Play a game with the children. Provide mixed objects to the students and ask to organize them as long and short objects. Use handspan method to measure long and short objects. Give the students different objects long and short and ask them to measure them using their hands. Their hands-on activity will help them to nourish their gross-motor skills. Ask them to open their textbooks and tick the long objects. Reinforcement worksheet of long and short objects can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.